हेलो एंड नमस्कार, मेरा नाम कनिष्का है और आपका स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल kanweread पर।
Did you like my previous video? If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, first I'd like to tell you that I've got a new Instagram page, so don't forget to follow that because there will be many short videos of my long videos. So if you have even less time to not watch 10-minute videos, you can go on my Instagram channel and watch some shorts related to my videos. So today, as you've already seen in the thumbnail, today's topic is human body parts in French, and we're really close to the ending because today's episode number is French language learning series episode 13. We have only 7 episodes left. But after that, if you still want to continue learning French, I will tell you how to do that soon. So quickly, let's get started with today's words. So today's topic is human body parts, and I've divided the human body parts because it's very wide, the ranges. So the topics are facial parts, which include heads, and then torso, and then arms and hands, and then legs and feet. Okay, so let's start. So the first word is la tête, which means the head. La tête. So pay attention to this, how it's spelled over here. So let's see that again. Head is tête. Let's write that. T-E-T-E. Tête. And there's a opposite V on the first E. La tête. La tête. Okay, then the second word is hair. That hair is called cheveux. 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 Let's see how to spell that. C-H-E-V-E-U-X. Cheveux. I know it's a bit of a long spelling, but as I told you, if you keep on practicing, keep on saying it, and keep on writing it, I'm pretty sure you'll remember it in no time. Okay, then the next word is forehead. The forehead is very simple. You can also associate it. It's called le front. So le, obviously, if you add le, it means the. So it means the forehead. But I'm just going to tell you forehead now. It's front. Front, not front. You won't say le front. It's front. Front. Let's see how to spell that. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Okay, then eyes are yeux. Let's see how to spell that. Y-E-U-X are eyes. And then eyebrows are sourcils. Sourcils. S-O-U-R-C-I-L-S. Sourcil. Then the next word is nose, which is also very simple. Nez. Very simple spelling. N-E-Z. Nez. Then is mouth. Bouche. Let's see how to spell that. B-O-U-C-H-E. Bouche. Then teeth are dents. Let's break them. Dents. D-E-N-T-S. Now, let me ask a question for you over here. So, like I said, teeth are dents. Can you think of another word, like in another language, in which teeth's way of like the language sounds the same as the. So, but by that I mean, can you remember any language in which teeth are also said the same way? The spelling might not be the same, but the way of saying it, the pronunciation might be same. Can you think of some? Any language? So please let me know in the comment section below, and if you can't, it's okay, you can continue watching the video. But please, I request you to subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet, and answer all my questions and write down your suggestions, and like this video and share this as much as you can, because these little steps motivate me a lot to bring new and fun and educative videos for my viewers. Okay, let's continue. Yours is Oriel. Orielled. O-R-E-I-L-L-E-S. Oriel. Now we can come to the second part, which is the torso. The neck is le queue. Le queue. Very simple spelling, C-O-U, means neck. Shoulders are épaule. Again, there's a bit of different spelling here. So E-A-U-L-E-S, épaule. And on the first E, there is, you can see over here, there's a line going down. So please do not forget this symbol, or else this word can mean something very different. Okay, so then chest is poitron. Poitron. P-O-I-T-R-I-N-E. Poitron. Then your back is dos. Dos. T-O-S. Very simple. Again, like I asked you before for the teeth one, can you think of any other language in which back sounds the same? Or if it's not the back word, is there another language where dos is spelled the same? Do let me know in the comment section below if you know any. Okay, then the next word is stomach. Ventre. V-E-N-T-R-E. Ventre. Ventre. Okay, and then heart is cœur. Cœur. So do you remember when I told you that sister is sœur? That's the same pronunciation, but it's not sœur. It's C over here. So it'll be cœur. C. Pay attention now. O and E are combined. They're not apart. They're squished together. Cœur and then R. Cœur. Cœur. Okay. And then we come to arms and hands. The arm is bras. 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 B-R-A-S. Bras. And then elbow is coude. C-O-U-D-E. It's not spelled as that computer code C-O-D-E. It's spelled as C-O-U-D-E. Coude. And then your wrist is pointement. P-O-I-G-N-E-T. Pointement. Then your hands are main. M-A-I-N. Not ma in the sense of mother, but M-A-I-N, which can be pronounced in English as main, but in French it's main. Okay, main. Then fingers are doigts. Doigts. But the spelling is different than the two in French. So it's D-O-I-G-T-S. Doigts. And then your thumbs are pouce. P-O-U-C-E. Pouce. And then your legs and feet come. Okay, so leg is jambe. J-A-M-B-E. E. Jambe, jambe. And then your knees are genoux. G-E-N-O-U. Genoux, genoux. And then your ankles are cheville, cheville. C-H-E-V-I-L-L-E, cheville. And then your foot is pied, P-I-E-D, pied. And then your toes are ortiel, ortiel, O-R-T-E-I-L-S, ortiel. Oh, so these were all of today's words for French video 13, human body parts. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any suggestions, and don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button if you liked the video. See you next time. Bye.
बुक्स के नॉलेज से तो हम जमीन से लेकर आसमान तक जा सकते हैं और यही तो हमें बुक सिखाती है।